Imagine yourself in this 2015 GMC Terrain. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor, in-dash, air conditioning, air filtration, air conditioning, front, automatic climate control, air conditioning, front, single-zone, airbags, front, dual, airbags, front, side, airbags, front and rear, side curtain and airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.